Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity Stamp Company. Today we are extending the use of our Kitty Encouragement stamp set, which is newly released. I love creating with different stamp sets and drawing stuff out and really stretching out your stamps. We're going to be using the sentiment from every single day, which is the "You Are Darn Amazing." We're also going to be using the gorgeous star pattern, the Starburst background stamp set. I have pre-stamped, colored, and cut my kitty from the Kitty Encouragement. As mentioned, you're going to need 2 colors of ink, a navy and a light blue, and a white pom-pom. We're going to need some adhesive for the pom-pom, Nuvo drops for our little embellishments, and pattern paper. Let's get started. We are going to begin by stamping in that lightest blue, the Starburst pattern. We are going to ink up the entire background, and as you can see, I'm not using any acrylic blocks or stamping positioners. Unity stamps are so thick and such high quality, you actually do not need a stamping block for this. We're going to stamp it on that card panel or the card base, whichever you prefer to start with. Just rub all the way down and you will see you have a perfect image, and there you go. Okay, now we're going to come in and grab our darkest blue. We're going to grab this sentiment. I have it pre-positioned in my acrylic block, and we're going to put this down on the bottom center of our card panel. Once that's stamped, we are going to move on to adding our little cat. We're going to add a little bit of foam adhesive on the back, but before we do that, we're going to draw just a cone, and this is going to be his little birthday hat. This is going to be a super fun birthday card. We're going to embellish this with Nuvo drops and really make it festive and glittery. We're going to add that with just some flat adhesive, place that right under his head. We're going to add a little bit of glue on the top, add a little pom-pom. We're going to come in with our Nuvo drops, and we're going to embellish those darker blue stripes from the pattern paper. You can use any pattern paper. Grab the color combinations from that and work that into your card. We're going to do a couple of drops all over the kitty, it's our birthday kitty. I really like doing different elements to extend the use of your cards, which you thought this kitty could have been a birthday card. Look how cute he is. And that does it for this card. Thank you so much for joining me. I can't wait to see what you create with your hand-drawn embellishments. Thanks so much. Have a great day.